Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm again reviewing a medical book. The name of this book is Essential Orthopedic, and this book is written by Maheshwari. And this is very essential for the physiotherapists, the MBBS doctors, and if you have interest in orthopedic, or if you are an orthopedic student, then this book is a must for you. So in this book, there are many chapters, and all chapters are given into details. And it is not just the textbook of the orthopedic; it's actually a manual also, because it's not just a theory. Some things are written practical also, that how you can approach the things, and how you'll approach the bone. And it is also the diagnosis and assessment and treatment is also given in some parts of the chapters. And this is a medical book, so you should read it. This is a course book. This is used to be my course book when I was in bachelor's. And the three things which you can learn from this book is, first thing, all the concepts, the major concepts of your fracture healing, the types of fracture, and what are the different scenarios in which you can get fracture. And this book will not only tell you what is the issue with the bone or the structure. This book will also tell you why the issue is happening, through diagnosis and treatment, also through assessment and diagnosis. So you can not just read the what happens to you, you will also read why it happens to you or to your patients or to every patient in the world of orthopedic. The three things is, it's a strong conceptual function. So you have to understand all the concepts, and it's beautifully written. The book is divided into the columns, right column, left column, and sometimes in some pages it's like the whole uh, page also. And the most important thing is, you can see the small tips and tricks, or the small facts information at the end of this book after your indexing. So many people don't actually read this book, they just read it just to pass the exams. And in the college, just trust me, they don't even teach you all this book as a whole. The second thing is, after conceptual learning, is second thing is visual learning. So in this book there are diagrams also, and in the the new edition, it's beautifully drawn or beautifully illustrated in the book. I used to read, I guess, fourth edition, uh, the yellow one, and now I have seen the green one, yellow one, and then the black one. I don't know about the new edition, but you have to find if there is any new edition in this chapter in this book. There must be something new the author has added. And the third thing is clinical application. So this book focus on patient-centered understanding, from diagnosis to rehabilitation. It's not just a theory textbook. And for physiotherapy, it's a base of masters of physiotherapy. So you can read this book. It's a pretty simple book. It's not a rocket science book. If you read it once or twice, you'll get all the concepts, and all the concepts will be on your tips. There are other books of also of orthopedic, and I'll tell you in detail in the next, in the maybe in the next coming videos of the orthopedic session. So this book is basically for orthopedic people, physiotherapists, and you'll get to know about knowledge about your fracture healing, tissue healing, and all these things, and what are the different tools which we use for surgery. Basically, it is also for the surgical people. It is not for PT in orthopedics, it's for orthopedic. So that's why it's for everyone. There are other books also for physiotherapy in orthopedic, but this is for the orthopedic. So even if you are a physiotherapist, you have to read it. Even if you are MBBS, you have to read it. But in other professions, if you are an orthopedic student, or if you want to pursue higher studies in orthopedic physiotherapy, then you should read this book before commencing into orthopedic physiotherapy. Because if you read this book and understand all the concept, then you'll definitely want to top your examination, because many concepts are written in detail in this book. Okay. So if you talk about my story, I read this book when I was in Arunachal Pradesh. I was on a holiday vacation of 30-40 days. So I used to read a lot and at those times. So I took this book and I started reading, and I completed that book in 15 days. Can you believe, only 15 days, because I was on vacation. And it is interesting. It is not that much boring book. If you have interest in being a doctor, then you will enjoy this book. It's not that many stories are written here, like the neurological book, The Human Neuroanatomy, which I have just which I've just reviewed it later. But this is a good book. You know, that is it for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. And if you have any doubt about this book, you can just comment and take care. Keep watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. And thanks for giving all the love and support.